Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about fennel, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with fennel. So if you're looking for some very specific meal, menu, or recipe ideas using fennel, hopefully this will help you out. Now this list is long, and so I've broken it up into two parts. This is part one. Combine fennel with an acid of some sort like orange juice or vinegar, and beets. Combine fennel with almonds, avocados, and greens of your choice. How about fennel with arugula, grapefruit, and hazelnuts? Or fennel with beets and Belgian endive? Fennel with blood oranges and romaine lettuce? Fennel with cashews, oranges, and vanilla? Fennel with cheese of your choice and nuts of your choice like almonds or walnuts, and fruit like apples or pears. How about fennel with cranberries, nuts of your choice, and wild rice as in a salad? Fennel with cucumbers, mustard, and thyme. Fennel with endive and pears. Fennel with escarole, olives, and ricotta cheese. Or fennel with escarole and oranges. Well, I do hope this helps. Stay tuned for part two. Bye for now.